Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wikipedia page and get backlinks from it. In order to create a Wikipedia page and get backlinks from it, all you have to do is to create an account on Wikipedia, create a page and write articles on the page and leave your website URL as one of the references for the article. This seems easy, but it's not as easy as it seems. In order to create a Wikipedia page, there are some things you need to know. If not, your page can be deleted and that will be a waste of time and effort. First of all, you need to make sure the Wikipedia page you want to create is not existing. That is, it is not already on Wikipedia. All you have to do is to go to this search Wikipedia, click on it. Let's say I want to write an article on food science. Then I search for food science on Wikipedia. As you can see, food science is already existing on Wikipedia. So you have to make sure the article or the page you want to create on Wikipedia is not existing on Wikipedia. As you can see, no result found for arrange the Wikipedia. So this is a page, an opportunity to create a page like this. So once you are sure that the page is not existing, then you can go ahead and create a page on that particular subject. Now, other things you need to know to create a Wikipedia page. If not, the page you created can be deleted. When creating a Wikipedia page, do not copy and paste from the source. Instead, read and write whatever you want to copy. Write it in your own words. Secondly, before you create a Wikipedia page, you have to have at least 3 sources, that is, 3 reliable sources. It can be from books, websites, newspapers, academic journals, and magazines. So you have to have any 3 sources, at least 3 sources for that article in any of these sources I've just mentioned. And lastly, to add your link or the link of your website as one of the references, make sure you have already written about the subject on your site. You've already written something about that subject about that subject on your website for it to be relevant to the Wikipedia page. If you don't create such content on your site and you're adding your website URL as a reference on that Wikipedia page, most likely the page or your website URL you added will be deleted. Create something related to that content on your website before you add your website URL as one of the references. If you don't like this method of getting backlinks from Wikipedia, in my next videos, I'm going to be showing you the 2 other methods of getting backlinks from Wikipedia, that is, via broken links or dead links, and by editing already existing page on Wikipedia. If you enjoy what I'm doing, please like this video and comment if you have any questions. And if this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. I will see you in the next video.